Dear Day Job, this isn't an easy letter for me to write, because we've been together for so long, but I think it's time for me to move on. It's not you, it's me. I've changed. You see, I've met someone else. They're called trading, and they value me for my imagination and my skills, not just for my ability to turn up on time every day. When I'm with trading, I feel free. I'm a digital nomad, an entrepreneur. The entire world is my workspace. Trading's shown me that the cubicle is a wooden box, that I can earn more sitting on a beach in Hawaii than sitting at an office desk all day long. It's now my mission to live this one life to the fullest. I've become part of a family who support each other to follow their passions and dreams. We believe there is a difference between living and merely existing. So for that reason, I choose to live. It's for that reason I choose to be a trader. Take care of yourself, Day Job. I don't expect we'll meet again. Love, Lifestyle Trader.